Welcome to Golden Elite Deco at our Dollard-des-Ormeaux store. Enjoy incredible discounts up to 75% off on a wide range of clearance items, bathroom vanities, flooring, and much more at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking to renovate your bathroom or just modernize your home, our liquidation area offers everything that you would need at reduced prices. Our stock is limited, so don't miss the chance to save big. Visit us today to discover exclusive deals and take home quality products at reduced prices. The Golden Elite Liquidation Center is located at 88 Brunswick Boulevard, Dollard-des-Ormeaux. Open Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and weekends from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Don't wait! Come by our store and take advantage of the best deals in town. See you soon at Golden Elite Deco.